In this video, we're going to be checking out the top best mini air compressors in this year. I made this list based on products' features, online popularity, consumers' reviews, brand reputation, prices and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, Makita MAC2400. Although the Makita Big Bore 2.5 HP air compressor is priced at a premium, it is one of the best all-around mini air compressors on the market. This 2.5 HP air compressor maintains a standard operating pressure of 130 psi. This compact model is quite heavy-duty, featuring a roll cage to provide complete protection, even in extreme job site environments. There is a large automotive-style industrial air filter, designed to provide increased air intake and greater efficiency. The durable cast iron cylinder is completely removable for simple maintenance and care. The pump runs at 1,730 RPM, providing more than enough power, while resulting in lower noise levels of just 79 decibels. There is a rubber hose included with this air compressor that measures 50 feet long by 3/8 inch in diameter. It is made from a heavy-duty Class C oil-resistant EPDM rubber. The only major downside of the Makita MAC2400 Big Bore 2.5 HP air compressor is its price point. But if you are comfortable paying the premium price, this is one of the best products on the market. Number 2, Stanley J5C09. The Stanley J5C09 portable air compressor is another high-quality, powerful product, with a power rating of up to 120 psi. There is a high-powered LED light that rotates 270 degrees to help you work in dark or low-light situations. A 1-year limited warranty is included with each purchase to cover any manufacturing defects or immediate issues. A built-in 12V DC outlet, as well as a USB port, allows for convenient portable power for additional electronic devices. When not in constant use, it is recommended to charge the compressor every 30 days to maintain the lifespan of the product. It can be charged using a standard household extension cord, which is not included with the purchase of this product. In addition to the air compressor, the jump starter can be used to start most vehicles in emergency situations. One issue with the Stanley J5C09 JUMPT portable air compressor is with the charging cord. There is not a standard cord included to charge the unit, so make sure to purchase one separately, or you will not be able to charge this product.
Slime's dual power all-purpose inflator is the most flexible inflator on the market. It features 2 air hoses, a high-pressure hose for tires, and a high-volume hose for rafts and mattresses, as well as 2 power options, a 120-volt plug for your home wall outlet and a 12-volt plug for your car's accessory outlet. Add in an easy-to-read dial gauge, convenient cord and hose storage, and a rugged compact design, and you have one handy inflator.
To top things off, this device also comes in handy if you have a flat tire on your bike, or if you need to charge your smartphone. Compact in size, ready to... The AP2 will also provide you the fast charging power you want. To inflate, simply connect your AP2 and voila, you're back in action in no time. Well, look no further. Welcome to the world of the AP2 Smart Air Pump. With this easy-to-use device, you'll now have the power to inflate your tires fast and easy. The AP2 features a user-friendly interface that allows you to refill your automobile tires with air and automatically stops pumping once the tire is full. Now's the time to get high-pressure output for any air pumping need. To go, the AP2 Smart Air Pump.
Your air compressor is a true workhorse tool, so get one that delivers industrial performance with increased durability, less noise, and faster recovery. Get an industrial-grade air compressor from Makita. Makita compressors are powered by a 4-pole induction motor with direct drive for improved power and longer operating speed. Lower RPM means less noise and easier startups. The large cast iron cylinder pumps feature Makita's exclusive big bore cylinder and piston with heavy-duty crankshafts, so your compressor gets faster recovery and increased productivity. Pro contractors require industrial-grade compressors for top job site performance. Makita industrial-grade compressors deliver proven durability, less noise, and faster recovery.